Welcome to AI and Crypto with Steve. Today, I'll show you how to easily add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet in just 4 clicks, simplifying what others often complicate. Open your Chrome browser and ensure your MetaMask wallet is unlocked. If it isn't, take a moment to do so now. In your browser's address bar, enter bscscan.com and press the Enter key. Allow the page to load fully. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the Powered by BNB Beacon Chain section. There you'll see the MetaMask logo. Click on the Add BSC Network button. MetaMask will ask if you want to add the network. Click Approve to add it. After adding the network, you can choose to switch to the Binance Smart Chain Network immediately if you want. You now have access to the Binance Smart Chain Network through your MetaMask wallet. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe for more content from Steve on AI and crypto. Until next time, farewell and happy trading.